Alrighty, folks, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. I told you I was getting back into these dealership videos, so I'm going to get back into these videos, and it's really more kind of recapping what TK Garage, Butter the Insider, and OC Motivator are doing, and just trying to get it out to a broader audience. I know a lot of you guys and gals also watch those three folks, so if you've seen their video, you're probably going to see a lot of the same things here. So if you haven't seen their videos, then you can sit and watch my video, watch this one, and then go watch theirs if you want to. But this is just kind of a summation of what OC Motivator started with this specific dealership, Hemi in California. I'm hoping I say that right, Hemi, H-E-M-T. But let's first start off with the video that started this all off. So here's this video that Hemi put out about having over 700 cars on their lot. So let's watch that video.
Hello, you guys. This is Lima here with Hemi Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram, located here in Hemi, California. We're the biggest dealership here in the desert with over 700 cars in stock. Bring us your deal on any of our brand new vehicles with matching MSRPs, and we'll beat it today. No money down, no problem. Trade-ins, no problem. Bad credit, no problem. We have the best financing team in town, and if we can't get you done, no one can.
All right. So from that video, OC Motivator got a message from a guy called Creighton TV. Hopefully I'm saying that right. I'll put that message up here, up here, so y'all can read it as I'm reading it. So I'm going to read it to you. And this is from him to OC Motivator. So OC Motivator, if you want me to take my video down for using your stuff, I will. Just let me know. But anyway, it's good morning, bro. Just wanted to let you know the information you provide is awesome. This is OC Motivator. Keep up the good work. Awesome channel and car content. Appreciate the information. And OC Motivator does a lot of information on buying cars and to help you not get stuck in some of these situations that we're out here trying to fix. But he said, I just wanted to share a short 1-minute video, the one I just showed you, of my experience at Hemi Dodge dealership in Hemi, California. They posted this ad video, and I made a comment, but look what they say to me for calling out the facts. Terrible customer service. And it goes on to talk about OC Motivator, but keep up the good work, hit that 100,000, and God bless you and your family for your awesome journey. So that's from him to OC Motivator. So now let's get into his comment to that video. And I'll put it up here somewhere. I may cover my face and everything, but I'll put this up here too. So now his name is Brandon Michael Creighton, commenting. I'm not sure if this is Facebook or IG, but it's out there in the wild. So Brandon comes out and says, over 700 plus cars in stock. Crazy face. Yeah, they forgot to mention that's because they got high markups too. Shake my head with a faceplant. Went over there to see the market. Y'all wanted $200K for a TRX, $180K for a Hellcat Durango, $100K for a scat back wide body Charger Super B with the little B emoji. Shake my head with another faceplant. Nobody's paying markups. Nobody should pay markups. If you're paying markups, you're wrong. You don't have to pay those markups. They're just an ask. But this guy's speaking facts. Those cars will sit like some ducks with the little duck emoji. This guy is good. This guy is putting this dealership on blast for sure. Dealerships kill the excitement and experience of buying a new car, and it's sad. Make customers not want to buy no more. Now, he has got a fantastic point. Just dealerships are taking out the fun in going out and buying and haggling for a car. They're just making it a terrible experience instead of a great experience. And, making a deal to buy a new car. So now, lo and behold, let's put their response up there. Now this is even more crazy. Hemi Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram calls out Brandon Michael Creighton STFU. If y'all don't know what that means, it means shut the up. TK Garage will tell you exactly what it means. But I'm a little more ad friendly, as he says OC Motivator is, and Butter the Great. We're all a little more ad friendly than TK's Garage. But to come out with a response like that in the public eyes, in the public realm, to where everyone can see it, is just crazy. That is ludicrous. I mean, who in their right mind let someone throw that out there? Whether they have a social media guru or a social media manager, somebody should have caught this before it went out. Or it's just the way this dealership does things. If they're going to tell people to STFU, I'm not sure I'd want to go to that dealership. Hemi, like TK Garage says, you're on the pettiness now, because TK's on the hunt. So you better watch out. So Brandon, being Brandon, I really like you, Brandon. You're awesome, buddy. So Brandon comes back to, and I'll show that here too, underneath the STFU, comes back and says, don't get mad at me for stating the facts. And that's all he did. It's not like he came out and was, rude or blatant or anything like that in his comment. He was just stating facts. That's why you got over 700 cars in inventory that have been there for over 250 to 400 plus days. And I'm telling you, you don't want to buy a car. TK Garage will tell you too. You don't want to buy a car that's been on the lot for over 250 days. For those of you that store cars, you know the deal. When you store a car, there's a lot of things that you have to do to keep that car, keep all the seals and everything perfect, so they're not leaking when you start running the car. And I doubt that dealership is doing any of that to keep those cars up. But back to his comment, seemed like y'all losing, because if you was winning, your inventory wouldn't be so damn high, and you would be moving cars. Obviously you ain't moving nothing. And that's for sure. They're obviously not moving any cars because they've got a lot of them. Facts speak for themselves. Thanks for the rude comment. Very unprofessional. Nobody is paying for stupid blank markups. I mean, I think he was totally in the right with everything he said, because everything he said was facts. And yeah, I think he's spot on, and he's got something going on right there. But Hemi, CDJR, I don't know who's running things down there. I don't know who the manager is. I'm not going to reach out. I know TK Garage. He's a dog with a bone. And guess what? You're the next bone in his mouth, because he's out there looking, finding everything he can on your dealership. So more videos on you coming, Hemi Dodge. Be prepared. Let me know what y'all think in the comments. I really think that is just obviously unprofessional of a organization that deals with the public, sells to the public. I mean, what would you do if Walmart came out with a response like that to saying to a customer's comment online in the social media? Just totally ridiculous and totally uncalled for. But that's what Hemi Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram wants to do, and they want that kind of image. You got that image, and it's not going to be a good one. So if you're in that area of California, in that area, that desert where Hemi CDJR is at, I would shy away from them and go find another dealership to buy your Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram product from. I wouldn't buy it from these guys. But like I said, let me know what you think in the comments. That's going to do it for this one, folks. Till next time, adios.